Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ZioeYiue flashlights. High Lumen Rechargeable, heavy-duty 990,000 lumens rechargeable flashlights. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because Flashlights High Lumen. The rechargeable flashlight is equipped with an upgraded LED chip which can emit a super bright beam, and illuminates a length of up to 2,000 feet distance and illuminates an area of up to 1,500 feet. Whether it's for home, camping, hiking or emergency, a super bright flashlight is indispensable for you. 5 lighting modes and adjustable focus. Multifunctional tactical flashlight has 5 main modes: high, medium, low, strobe and SOS. Adjustable tactical flashlight allows you to change the size of the beam by switching the focal length and freely switch between far and near light. Rechargeable and power display. Large rechargeable flashlight is powered by 2 high-capacity rechargeable batteries, which can provide up to 6 to 16 H of illumination. The tactical flashlight also comes with a power display function. Easily see power level, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, you can know the battery life at any time. High quality material. Tactical flashlight is made of fine aluminum with good heat dissipation and impact resistance. The sealed design of the tactical flashlight makes it have good waterproof performance, and can be used in rain, snow, and other inclement weather. With head cusp design, tactical flashlight can be used as safety hammer. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.